They're here!
Happy holidays!
Thank you.
Can I take Joy to our house?
Wear a hat, please.
Where are your sisters?
I can't find them.
Anna? Joy?
I couldn't find them!
Dad, there was this RV, and they were playing on it. There was someone inside.
Detective Loki.
Do you have children, detective?
I'm gonna find your daughters.
Where'd you put those girls? Where are they?
What do you got?
We didn't find anything. This thing's clean.
That boy has never been in trouble a day in his life.
They're letting him go.
What?
He has the IQ of a 10-year-old. There's no way he could abduct 2 girls and then make them disappear.
Maybe he wasn't on his own.
Just let me do my job.
Every day, she's wondering why I'm not there. I mean, not you! Not you! But me!
What in the world did you do?
Someone has to make him talk, or they're gonna die. 5 days we got now. We're running out of time.
You don't even know that it's him.
Why aren't you telling me?
This ain't right.
Why?
This guy's a fake. The girls are still out there.